Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about CommBank's standard banking hours. CommBank's standard banking hours can vary by location, and it's always best to check the specific hours for your local branch. However, generally, most CommBank branches are open Monday to Friday. Many branches also offer extended hours on Thursday evenings, and some are open on Saturdays. To find the most accurate information, you can use the CommBank branch locator on their website or app. This tool will provide you with the exact opening and closing times for any branch, and will also alert you to any special hours for public holidays or other events. Remember that some services, like loans or business banking, may require an appointment, so it's a good idea to call ahead. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.